Production process. Current situation. As an external observer and based on some work done in the company, the following consideration can be made. Small family business with approximately 15 workers. The elaborate products are customized. Functional organization structure. Each worker performs different tasks. The cost of the work is to be executed is calculated based on reference tables for this purpose. Execution drawings are made for internal approval and then go on production. Work orders are assigned according to their complexity. The current production is by workstation. Tracking work order is not automated. There is no record of the time spent in each phase of the work. There is no record of rework to know the causes that originate it and as well as its solution. The level of inventory is minimal because there are reliable and timely suppliers.